welcome to Essence of the Moon. My name is Selena, and in today's video, I am unboxing a deck I backed on Kickstarter. It is from Muci, and as you can see, this is a huge, very huge box, guys. So let's see what's inside. You can see Muci. So it says, thank you for making this project come to life, Muci. It's giving me a coupon code. So I had already opened this because I didn't remember what the heck I ordered. Okay. So here is, wow, this is a huge travel case, guys. Look at that. Huge travel case. Here's another card, postcard. Not pretty. Oh, it came with stickers. Isn't that cute? Yeah, very nice. And then here is an altar cloth. So let's check out this cloth. Sorry, my voice is a little off today. I am somehow not feeling that great today. Isn't that pretty? Is it the Ace of Cups, maybe? Very nice. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Guys, I think this is going to be my new travel altar. Whatever fits in here, fits in here. Oh, I wasn't expecting all of this. Yes or no. Some Palo Santo. Some rose quartz. Amethyst. Some incense. Very nice. Oh, this is a little travel bag. It's a nice little velvet bag. Look at that. Isn't that cute? How nice is that, guys? This is so nice. Here's the Phantom Tarot deck. And then this does have straps. So if you wanted to carry it. But this is a perfect travel altar, guys. I'm excited. I forget how long ago it was that I backed it. I know it's been a little bit, guys. What's in here? So this is my first time purchasing a Muci deck. Oh, yes. So I get 3 decks? Oh, it's... interesting. So I have 2. Looks like I do, guys. But that one's not gilded. This one is gilded. Okay. So let's look at the guidebook here. Very nice. Upright reversals. Okay. It's a very nice box, guys. Look at that. Trust your intuition. It is your inner compass. It's the first thing I saw. I like this. This is a very nice, high quality box, guys. Tarot and Oracle Guidebook. So this has both together. Okay. Let's zoom in. Okay, we're gonna do just a quick walkthrough. Aren't those fun? I like how they glow. These are very nice. And those backs are embossed. It's a nice hermit. It's very, ooh, look at the death card. I love this. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, yes. I love it. These are very much alien-esque, like starseed. I can see now why I backed it. These definitely have a starseed quality to them. I think Rochelle from Amethyst Ascension was the one that was showing this deck. If I find her video, I will post that down below, but it was a while ago when Kickstarter was starting up, so I'm going to say towards the beginning of the year maybe. I like these. I like these a lot. Very much starseed, intergalactic. So I think when I want to speak to my council members, this is a deck I'm going to pull out. These are really pretty. Yeah, I like these a lot, guys. Oh, these are so good. So good. And they're not glossy. I mean, the backs are obviously because of the foiling. So these are gonna be really good. These are going to be really good to photograph. I think creators need to understand that the quality of the cardstock is important, because we want to be able to take a picture of it and not have it all glary and glossy, you know? Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Oh, so good. Now let's look at the Oracle. Same backs, same gilding, rainbow gilding. Oh, this is so good. It's like I'm getting all of these like messages. Yeah, this is so good, guys. I love this. Oh, I love this so much. I was on and off about backing it, and I'm happy I did, because these are beautiful. I love these. Yeah, these are so good, guys. Oh, I love these. Oh, look at that with the dragon. Oh, I love this. Okay, a huge shout out to Muci for this wonderful, wonderful collection here. I'm so excited I backed it. It's absolutely perfect for what I need it for. I'm thoroughly impressed with the quality and everything that was sent in it. I'm extremely impressed, guys. So thank you all for coming along to this quick Kickstarter unboxing. Thank you for sitting here and letting me ramble, even with my voice being off. I appreciate you guys. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye, guys.